Today, we embark on a whimsical adventure into the heart of Wall Street's crystal ball, where analysts are going to peer into the future to predict how Disney will fare in today's quarterly call. From Main Street to Fantasyland, the expectations are a bit muted, and the anticipated spin is set faster than the Mad Hatter's teacups. Is it dire? Is it dour? Is it destructive to the core? Let's get a little insight from Zach's experts to explore. Here we go. Hey Grant, what do you think we're looking at here?
Billions of dollars in assets gone.
Well, let's first set the mood and set the stage. These are not my numbers, and they're not my predictions. In other words, take them with a grain of salt and never look to YouTube for financial expertise. With that caveat out of the way, according to Zacks, the analysts predict Disney will report a quarterly earnings of 68 cents per share. That's a jaw-dropping 126.7% surge compared to the previous year. Now, revenues are expected to reach $21.32 billion, a 5.8% increase. Obviously, after all their failures in so many areas of late, that all sounds like a fairy tale, right? Well, not so fast. Over the last 30 days, these predictions have taken a disappointing twist, and not just with Zacks. Analysts have revised their EPS estimates down 14.3%, which is not unlike changing Disney's Cinderella into the Hunchback of Notre Dame. Not that Disney would do that. Wait a minute, maybe they would. Now, let's journey deeper into the enchanted forest here. Well, at least of the financial metrics. See, trying to sexy up these boring numbers. Anyway, analysts are shining a spotlight on the various aspects of Disney's business. The revenue, Disney Media Entertainment Distribution, which is a fancy way of saying how they get entertainment out, is expected to hit $5.6 billion. That's a 14.1% rise. What about revenue? Well, Disney Media Entertainment Distribution, content, sales, licensing, and other, that estimate dances about $1.82 billion, which is a 4.6% increase. And the tale continues with revenue with Disney's parks, products, and experiences. That's predicted to reach $7.82 billion, which is a 5.3% boost. Once again, that all sounds good. But it wouldn't be a Disney story without a bit of drama. Disney's linear networks are anticipated to face a 1.5% dip, with analysts projecting $6.24 billion. Now, not forgetting the others in our cast of characters pantomime, numbers of paid subscribers, ESPN Plus is supposed to rise to 25.71 million, while the number of paid subscribers for Disney Plus takes center stage, which is at 146.04 million. Now wait a minute, that isn't very good. In fact, that's nearly a 20 million subscriber loss when you compare it to last year. That's an 11.6% decline year over year. And if you combine that with an estimated ARPU that's just a smidge better than last year at 12 cents, that 18 plus million folks is really going to hit the bottom line. Yikes. Now, let's talk about that famous elephant in the room thing. Ad revenue is going to decline. The previous 3 quarters of ad revenue were down 13% compared to the previous year. This trend is going to continue and show up lower year to year in this quarter. I feel badly for that interim CFO on this call because there's a lot of bad news to deliver here. I think there's even more. Zacks is actually clearly entrenched in a sell position on Disney prior to the reporting of earnings. Wonder what questions will be asked later today to try and shift or focus that perception. I think there will be a lot of spin. Will Disney's magical kingdom rise above these possibly disastrous numbers? Or will it need a traditional hero to save the day? Perhaps like Nelson Peltz, or maybe Ike Perlmutter, or somewhere in between. So, grab your dismal Disney ears and some popcorn and check out Valiant Renegade's live stream this afternoon for all the live reaction and post-game analysis, which I think is going to be incredibly valuable. That show will definitely fire. So do you have any predictions of your own? Do you think that the folks at Zacks are actually correct? Is the real proxy war about to kick off? I think that's probably going to happen. Now, these are all good questions. Let me know your thoughts down in the comment section below, and please do all of the things like, share, subscribe, and of course turn the bell on, because you don't want to miss anything, do you? Be sure to take care of yourself, take care of others, and till next time, see ya!